Good evening, folks. We are live at 10:49 p.m. battling for Brandon's Luke Jedi figure. While I'm here, I'm going to copy our 34-spot list and take it over to random.org here in just a second after we take a look at what we're battling for. There he is. Over to random here to find our winner. Going to paste him in there. There they are, 1 through 34. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 10, which means we're good to battle. Good luck, everybody. Mark takes round 1. Jurgen round 2. Matt round 3. And round 4. Clifton round 5. Matt again on top in round 6. Andrew round 7. Matt again on top in round 8. Chris takes round 9, which means our winner is Matthew Sorrentino in at number 21. Congratulations, sir. Here's our official results. And our winner, YQSLEI. Matt Sorrentino in at number 21 is the champ of the Luke Jedi battle. I'm done at 10:50 p.m. There she is. Again, here's the verification code and our winner, Matt in at number 21. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch.